Hi, I'm Eric, Director of Training here at Just Add Power. And in this video, we're looking at how to get an inventory of a system that we put together but maybe haven't had to service for a while, so we forgot all the details about it, or we're taking over a system that someone else installed and we don't have a good idea of what's in it. But we know it's Just Add Power and we know it was set up with AMP VLAN. So let's get started. So right now, our system's functioning. Really what we need to do is we need to get into one device. And once we can get into one device, we can get into everything else. So we've got our switch here. We've got all of our Just Add Power devices. But really, the place to start is we need to find an IP address for something. And the easiest way to do that is to get a television to the debug screen. And the way we do that is we stop video going through the TV. So we're just going to shut down our sources one by one until we get a TV that we've stopped the video on. So I'm just going to start disconnecting HDMI cables. It wasn't that one. Wasn't that one. There it is. So our video's paused. It means I disconnected the source that was playing on the TV. We're just going to wait for it to go to its debug screen. So now we're on our debug screen. We've got our Just Add Power logo. It might be someone else's logo because you can modify that background image. But what we're looking for is in the bottom right-hand corner. So we've got a firmware version and we've got an RX with an IP address. That IP address is the important value that we need, and that says 172.27.1.3. Now that I've got that going, I can go over to my AMP program and we can figure out the size of this system. So we're going to select VLAN. System's already configured, so we want to connect to the system we have, and we want to read system. Now that's going to tell us everything we need to know about it, and we need that IP that we got from the receiver earlier, 172.27.1.3. I'm going to hit go, and it's going to find all the devices in the system, find my Just Add Power switch, and then give us a handy option to save report at the bottom. Project name, save that report file, put it somewhere important that I won't lose it, and now I have a record of all of the devices in the system. It's the same as the report file that was generated when the system was originally built. So now that I have my inventory, I can go about servicing the project. So now that we've run read system and we've got our report file, we're ready to work on whatever caused us to show up here in the first place. If you have any other questions, need help from support, please feel free to contact us, and thanks for watching.